kids.
Never said a word to me.
Okay, it's week 6. You gotta rally. When is my baby sweet gorgeous going to appear? I hope I'm at the right stairwell? Any of these could be her any second. I'm just patiently waiting for my Puccina. Here's our hotel room. Here's me. I have lost my black dress. I don't know where it is. It probably is like in Tulsa. I don't know.
Oh my god, you lost your entire
Here's
dress.
KHARIS.
We're here in Memphis, the city of limbs.
Staying on Wall Street, or literally whatever it's called. But we're ready to go.
We're ready to grind.
Last night, I genuinely, if I hadn't shut us up, we would have been talking all night.
Oh, if you didn't shut us.
If I wasn't the responsible one, it'd put a stop to this mess.
Now that's has to be.
Hey, y'all! Kentucky's in the house! Woo!
Mixes, it chemically like basically lowers your blood.
Yeah.
And basically it can make you like.
This is lunch conversations with disciples of Christ.
Basically it like shuts your body down.
It's becoming, people keep like,
Not
Every morning.
no, why are you doing this last minute?
I barely. It's just like really bad.
Yummy.
It's a tree. Oh.
This was like the best thing I've ever
Is it like bark?
It's still,
Okay,
I mean,
The ideas that I shared in my workshops, I've watched people ponder and think about biases that they may have held before and learn.
I had a dream that I would become the chair of the governance committee. Perhaps not.
Denied. Wow, how sweet. Walking around with a gift. Unboxing video.
Let's see.
What could be inside?
Is it a paperweight?
It's like those globes, those helm globes that we
God,
have.
I wish. Those helm globes were so cool. I still have mine.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
Young little car.
Yeah,
And a helm paperweight.
same thing for the past 8 years. Red light! Red light!
Declare and decree that you must go. That's to moderator of the General Assembly, Elder Clyde Hart, to my very good friend, Reverend William Barber. God bless you, sir.
So they talked to me and I said, no, I'm doing okay. But then I got to thinking, during COVID there's enough inflation that I can't really.
Joe Taylor held this gift I would need one day.
Oh, river, you know it. I hear you, feel you calling me. Oh, river, well, who will I be when I reach the sea?
Everyone just looked at me.
We're gonna be up there soon. Grab these signs, my gosh. Yeah, look at this. It looks like an Albert Einstein edit.
Big fish. Wow. That's part of my plan. This is so cool. Wait, really?
He asked me when Allie went to go get something, he was like, oh sorry, like, is it okay if I like stand near your guys' table? And I was like, well, duh, you like work here, so I was like, yeah, of course you can.